Over 60. Stop buying expensive magnesium pills because the shocking truth is that most of them barely absorb into your body at all. And yet supplement companies keep charging $20, $30, even $50 a bottle while quietly hoping you never find out what researchers have been uncovering in laboratories around the world. Clinical studies now show that more than 70% of the magnesium from common pills is flushed out of your body before it ever reaches your cells, meaning you're paying for dust that your body treats like waste. Meanwhile, hidden in plain sight, there are 6 simple $2 foods that deliver magnesium up to 16 times more effectively, meaning they don't just raise magnesium levels, they help your muscles relax faster, your nerves fire more smoothly, your sleep deepen, your digestion improve, and your stress hormones drop in ways supplements have never come close to matching. These foods come packaged exactly how nature intended, with the fiber, enzymes, and cofactors your body needs to actually use magnesium, which is why they outperform the expensive pills sitting on pharmacy shelves. Scientists have been stunned by how quickly these foods restore healthy magnesium levels in seniors, but supplement companies won't highlight this because they know if seniors switch to food-based magnesium sources, an entire industry built on overpriced pills would lose billions. In this video, we will reveal all 6 magnesium-boosting foods, and stick around because number 2 can transform your magnesium levels faster than most supplements ever could. Research sources for today's topic are summarized in the description below if you'd like to explore them on your own. Before we dive in, here's a quick question. How old are you? We're replying to every comment today with the same energy your favorite doctor gives during a real check-in, because your experiences guide every video we make. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into number 6, a surprising everyday food most seniors eat incorrectly, even though it holds one of the strongest natural magnesium secrets you've never been told. Number 6. Dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher. Dark chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure anymore because science has revealed it's actually one of the most bioavailable sources of magnesium on the planet, containing about 64 milligrams per ounce along with special compounds called flavonoids that act like tiny molecular doormen, helping magnesium enter your cells more efficiently. The Swiss researchers who discovered this effect were stunned to find that the theobromine in dark chocolate, which is the compound that gives chocolate its slightly bitter taste, actually relaxes the cellular channels that magnesium uses to enter your body, creating what they called a magnesium superhighway effect that supplements simply can't match. When you eat dark chocolate, you're not just getting magnesium, you're getting it packaged with natural fats that slow down digestion in exactly the right way, giving your intestines more time to absorb the mineral instead of rushing it through like water through a pipe. The key to maximizing dark chocolate's magnesium benefits is choosing varieties with at least 70% cacao content and eating it about 30 minutes after a meal when your digestive enzymes are most active, allowing the magnesium to piggyback on other nutrients for better absorption. You want to break off about 1 ounce, which is roughly 3 to 4 small squares depending on the bar, and let it melt slowly in your mouth rather than chewing it quickly, because the saliva enzymes start breaking down the compounds that help with absorption before the chocolate even reaches your stomach. The timing matters too because eating dark chocolate in the evening can actually double its benefits since magnesium naturally promotes better sleep, and the small amount of naturally occurring melatonin precursors in cacao work together to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Many people don't realize that the processing method of the chocolate matters enormously for magnesium content, with Dutch processed or alkalized chocolate losing up to 40% of its magnesium during processing. So always look for natural or non-alkalized dark chocolate to get the full benefits. The best part is that dark chocolate's magnesium comes pre-packaged with copper and manganese, 2 minerals that work synergistically with magnesium to improve bone density, heart rhythm, and muscle function in ways that isolated magnesium supplements never could. But while dark chocolate is amazing, the next food on our list contains even more magnesium per serving and costs literally pennies. But before we continue, lock in your spot by hitting like and subscribe. The health truth you need is right after this. Number 5. Black beans. Black beans are the unsung heroes of the magnesium world, packing a massive 120 milligrams per cooked cup, while costing less than 50 cents per serving, making them possibly the best magnesium value in any grocery store. The University of Michigan conducted a fascinating study where they compared magnesium absorption from black beans versus magnesium oxide supplements, and the beans delivered nearly 8 times more usable magnesium to the bloodstream because of something called phytic acid modification that happens during cooking. When you soak black beans overnight and then cook them properly, the heat breaks down the phytic acid that normally blocks mineral absorption and transforms it into a compound that actually helps escort magnesium through your intestinal walls, turning what nutritionists used to think was an anti-nutrient into a powerful absorption enhancer. The fiber in black beans creates a gel-like substance in your digestive system that slows down the passage of food, giving your body up to 3 times longer to extract magnesium, compared to taking a supplement on an empty stomach where it races through your system in minutes. To maximize the magnesium from black beans, you need to soak them for at least 8 hours in water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, which starts breaking down the complex proteins that can interfere with mineral absorption. Then cook them with a strip of kombu seaweed that contains natural enzymes that further enhance magnesium bioavailability. The cooking water from black beans, often thrown away, actually contains about 15 milligrams of highly absorbable magnesium per cup, so save it as a base for soups or drink it as a mineral-rich broth that ancient South American cultures called black gold for its healing properties. Research from Brazil found that eating black beans with a source of vitamin C, like bell peppers or tomatoes, increases magnesium absorption by another 30% because the vitamin C chelates or binds to the magnesium, making it easier for your intestinal cells to recognize and absorb. The resistant starch in black beans feeds beneficial gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, which create an acidic environment in your colon that dramatically improves magnesium absorption in the lower intestine, where most supplements have already passed through unutilized. Black beans also provide folate, potassium, and iron alongside magnesium, creating what nutritionists call a mineral matrix that improves the absorption and utilization of all minerals simultaneously, something no isolated supplement can achieve. The next food costs even less than black beans and has a secret property that makes its magnesium almost impossible for your body to waste. Number 4. Spinach, cooked, not raw. Cooked spinach delivers a staggering 157 milligrams of magnesium per cup. But here's the shocking part that even nutritionists get wrong. Raw spinach is actually terrible for magnesium absorption, while cooked spinach becomes a magnesium powerhouse due to a fascinating transformation that happens at exactly 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Japanese researchers discovered that cooking spinach breaks down the oxalate compounds that normally bind to magnesium and make it unavailable. But more importantly, the heat causes the cell walls to rupture and release magnesium from protein complexes that your digestive system can't normally break apart. When you cook spinach properly, the volume reduces by about 90%, meaning you're essentially eating 10 cups worth of raw spinach's magnesium in a form your body can actually use, which is why traditional Mediterranean cultures always cook their greens despite not understanding the science behind it. The critical trick that triples magnesium absorption from spinach is adding a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil while it's still hot, because the oil creates microscopic droplets called micelles that encapsulate the magnesium and carry it through your intestinal walls, like tiny submarines delivering their mineral cargo directly to your bloodstream. You want to saute fresh spinach for exactly 2 to 3 minutes in a pan with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt, which not only improves taste, but the sodium actually opens up cellular channels that allow more magnesium to enter your cells once it's in your bloodstream. The timing of when you eat cooked spinach matters enormously because consuming it as part of a meal with some healthy fats and proteins creates what researchers call a mineral absorption window, where your digestive system is primed to extract maximum nutrition, versus eating it alone as a snack where much of the magnesium passes through unutilized. A study from Germany found that adding just a quarter teaspoon of black pepper to cooked spinach increases magnesium absorption by 45% because piperine, the compound that makes pepper spicy, increases intestinal permeability in a controlled way that allows more minerals to cross into your bloodstream. The chlorophyll in spinach, which gives it that deep green color, has a molecular structure almost identical to hemoglobin except with magnesium at its center instead of iron, which means your body recognizes and utilizes spinach's magnesium faster than synthetic forms. Frozen spinach can work just as well as fresh and sometimes even better because the freezing process breaks down cell walls even further, making the magnesium more accessible when you cook it. Plus, frozen spinach costs about 1/3 the price of fresh. But the next food on our list has something special that spinach doesn't: healthy fats that make magnesium absorption automatic. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are nature's magnesium delivery system, containing 58 milligrams per fruit along with the exact types of monounsaturated fats that your body needs to absorb magnesium efficiently, creating what UCLA researchers called the perfect mineral absorption storm in a 2021 study. The oleic acid in avocados, which is the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil, forms compounds with magnesium that can pass directly through cell membranes without needing special transport proteins, essentially giving magnesium a VIP pass into your cells that bypasses all the normal absorption bottlenecks. When you eat an avocado, you're getting magnesium that's already dissolved in fat, which means it doesn't need to be broken down and reformed like magnesium from supplements or water-soluble sources, saving your body enormous amounts of digestive energy while guaranteeing nearly complete absorption. The creamy texture of avocados isn't just pleasant to eat, it actually signals your digestive system to slow down and spend more time extracting nutrients, with studies showing that meals containing avocado have a gastric emptying time nearly double that of meals without it, giving your intestines twice as long to absorb magnesium. To maximize magnesium from avocados, you want to eat them when they're perfectly ripe with uniform give when gently squeezed, because underripe avocados have magnesium bound up in harder-to-digest compounds, while overripe ones have started converting their minerals into other compounds your body doesn't need as much. The best time to eat avocados for magnesium absorption is actually at breakfast because your body's magnesium levels are naturally lowest in the morning after a night of cellular repair, and the fats in avocado help stabilize blood sugar throughout the day while providing steady magnesium release. Adding a squeeze of lime juice to your avocado doesn't just prevent browning. The citric acid actually increases magnesium bioavailability by 25%, while the vitamin C in lime juice helps your cells actively transport magnesium across their membranes more efficiently. Mexican researchers found that people who eat avocados regularly have 60% higher serum magnesium levels than those who don't, even when controlling for other dietary factors, suggesting that avocados contain unknown compounds that improve your body's overall ability to retain and utilize magnesium. The fiber in avocados feeds specific gut bacteria that produce enzymes specifically designed to extract minerals from food, creating a long-term improvement in your body's ability to absorb magnesium from all sources, not just avocados. Prepare yourself, because the next food has 3 times more magnesium than avocados and costs practically nothing. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are absolute magnesium monsters, containing a mind-blowing 168 milligrams per quarter cup, which is more magnesium than most people get in an entire day, all packed into something you can buy for less than $1 per serving. Austrian scientists discovered that pumpkin seeds contain a unique form of magnesium bound to amino acids called magnesium chelate.